Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a triangle. Then, none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Now we need a polygon. Now select those and align horizontal and vertically center. Now select this polygon and increase the size. Polygon adjust with triangle perfectly. Now select those and check Shape Builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Now we need pen tool and draw the line. Now select all and take Shape Builder tool and draw our design perfectly. None this top color, pick up the fill color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.